Yo, Russell, A&MRC. Check out this video. We got more coming to you, so be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and bell to be notified. Check it out. Hey guys, Russell here with A&MRC. Just thought I'd give you all an update on the WPL. I have gears coming for it. They should be here by the 7th of next month, which is May. So hopefully I can take this thing out and get y'all a video of it. And I'm going to go ahead and order another set of these so I can have that spindle and go ahead and add it to the back, just because I like the look of it. It looks a little better than this. But yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cool. I love this little truck. It's been down for a while. I guess y'all seen the last video of it when the gears stripped out of it. But tough little truck. Just the gears, man. Always stripping out. I guess they're going to have to find something that's a little better. Especially when they sell these transmissions and all that together. So, anyway. Yeah, guys. Couple little extras on there. I don't know if y'all seen that. Some little rollover stops. Made them myself. I'm probably going to start printing some accessories for this thing, probably a bed, but it's not going to be a bed. I'm going to leave that like it is because I want it to be a surprise. But I got an awesome idea for the back of this thing, so I'm going to print that. It's going to be pretty close to the same color. Yeah, I guess not even close, is it? Well, I'll have to end up painting it, but that's alright. So, yeah guys, been printing stuff. This is part of the little RC card that I printed. Good concept on what to do, and I think it worked good for what I was trying to do. It's got shocks. Oh, I just broke it. Anyway, it didn't break, it just came off because it's got pins stuck in there, that's all. But yeah, it has shocks itself built in. I think it was a good little concept here because it's got steering, shocks, and all I have to do is print some tie rods to hold the... I'll do that later, excuse me. Print some tie rods to hold the back there where they won't move, and then print some tie rods and a T-link, whatever you want to call it, that actuates in the middle for the steering to hook to the servo, because it's really not good just to hook them straight. So I'll put a bar on there and maybe a T-link. But yeah, man, it wasn't bad. I mean, there's a couple of things I had to change, but first print of a little car can make a body to go on it. It was actually pretty fun. But yeah guys, tell me what you think. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and until next time, later.